Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Asad. Today I am discussing about candy manufacturing. So, first of all, we should be known of what is candy itself. So, candy is a boiled sweet or a sugar that is prepared from one or more sugar-based syrups when they are boiled at a temperature of 160 Celsius, and the primary ingredients are the sugar and water, while sometimes water can be replaced with milk because the milk having some different properties, flavor and color that gives characteristic flavors to our candies. Types of candies mainly depends upon its hardness. So first is hard candy. These are the single phases amorphous sugar candies. They are made from sucrose and glucose syrups. They are about 98% sugar solids. They have glassy, translucent appearance as you can see in figure. Secondly, fondants. They are partially crystallized, semi-solid sugar having the two phases in their characteristics. And the secondly, it is about 88% sugar by weight and usually much more sucrose and glucose. Thirdly, soft candies. These are mainly characterized by caramelizing sugar with molasses along with batter and occasionally with flour. They are heated at a temperature of 149 to 154 Celsius for manufacturing. And the last one, toffee or the chews are the types of candies that are similar to toffee. They are manufactured by stretching or pulling a sticky mass of boiled sugar, butter or vegetables oils, flavorings and coloring until it becomes aerated. Primary ingredients having sugar in the form of granulated sugar, powdered sugar or browning sugar can be used, while at the same time sugar has some specific properties like caramelization, have the specific appetizing color, and Maillard reaction with nitrogenous compounds in protein and color preservation capacity, while it also enhances the shelf life of product. The other sweeteners are the honey, molasses, maple sugars, and corn syrups are the replacers of our sugar. They are also sweeteners, while water is used for the homogenization, or you can say syrup production. Secondary ingredients includes salts, color, flavors. Flavors like saccharin and aspartame are artificial, while nuts, almonds, macadamia, pecans, cashew nuts are the most popular types of the nuts used for making the candy. Flowers and the fruits add the flavor, fragrance, and color to the simple sweetness and helps in different candies having different colors and taste. Like in Pakistan, orange, mango, pineapple, strawberry flavors are the most suitable for our industry. Milk based ingredients also added as secondary ingredients for specific type of candies like eclair. So evaporated milk, buttered and condensed milk, they have properties like dairy color, browning, gelling, and thickening to fudge, and it gives different flavor. Chocolate is also our secondary ingredient. Some type of candies like Forever have delicate properties, having nutrients and essential for candy making. Acids, creams or tartar, lemon juice, vinegar, citric acid, and others. Gelling agents, gelling agents like gelatin powder, leaf, starch, pectin, gums will gel the product and make the jelly beans if added into the boiling mixture. Butter and fats, they have properties like they, they importance is very high because brittleness and hardness, flavor and texture of candy mainly depends upon amount of butter and fats. It is recommended to use unsalted or salted thick butter instead of margarine butter that gives the best taste. This is the flow diagram in which you are seeing that dissolving. Dissolving means sugar syrup production. So it starts from dissolving sugar and glucose, and then cooking, then kneading, then cooling. Cooling at cooling stage, organic acid, spices are added. Molding, then cooling again, then sorting, wrapping, waiting, packaging. The next slide is the general process line. So, the normal room temperature conditions are necessary for our production of houses. The humidity should be 40 to 45%. Dry day are best and the rainy or the humid days should be avoided. Dissolver used to dissolve sugar and other syrups production in water at temperature 100 to 110 Celsius, and this sugar should have Brix up to 70 to 73 value. The inward sugar level in syrup should be up to 0 to 1% because the presence of inward sugar will form the crystals, and that is very harmful for candy production at this stage. So next step is cooking. The cooking at high temperature, like some temperature below 200 Fahrenheit, some temperature above 400 type, and so on. So if the temperature is more than 200 Fahrenheit at the agitation, a harder candy may be suitable for crystal coating. And at 190 Fahrenheit to 175 at for agitation, a medium hard candy is prepared. While if the temperature is below the 170 Fahrenheit at agitation, the soft candies are prepared. After the cooking, the candy mass is placed inside the kneader, and the kneader is a place where the mixing and kneading of ingredients such as the flavors, spices, and acids is in such case that homogeneous manner that no air bubbles remains there after this. Then our mass is being spread on a surface that's temperature is very low. This is called cooling table. This is process is to ensure that the temperature of the candy mass should be reduced very quickly, because this will help in quick crystallization of our candies. After the candy's crystallization, they are being placed inside the candy rulers so that the equal volume and size and shape of these candies should be obtained. Then rope size and cutter will cut the candies into small pieces of same shape and sizes. After cutting, then they are placed into the packaging machines that will form different packets of small and having printed their information on that packages.